Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the channel where innovation on wheels meets excitement on the road. If you're passionate about unique vehicles that push boundaries and redefine the way we think about travel, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something that combines compact design, sustainable mobility, and adventure all in one, the incredible RV Camper Tricycle. When you think of a camper, you probably imagine a massive motorhome or a bulky trailer being hauled by a truck. But what if we told you that camping on the go could be reimagined into something much smaller, more efficient, and incredibly eye-catching? That's exactly what the RV Camper Tricycle brings to the table. It takes the freedom of a tricycle, merges it with the comforts of a camper, and creates a whole new way of experiencing the road. At its core, the RV Camper Tricycle is designed for those who crave mobility without compromise. It offers a compact footprint that makes it ideal for weaving through tight city streets, cruising along open highways, or even exploring hidden paths where traditional campers might struggle. Its lightweight design means it's easy to handle, and unlike bulky RVs, it doesn't demand massive storage space or fuel costs. Imagine being able to park almost anywhere and set up camp in minutes. It's freedom at its finest. What makes the RV Camper Tricycle so unique is the way it blends practicality with innovation. The tricycle base provides excellent stability, which is a key factor for those who worry about balance and safety when traveling long distances. Mounted on this base is the camper module, compact yet cleverly designed to maximize space. Inside, you'll often find foldable sleeping arrangements, compact storage compartments, and sometimes even small cooking setups. Everything is scaled down but carefully engineered to provide comfort on the go. One of the biggest appeals of this vehicle is how eco-friendly it can be. Many versions are designed to be electrically powered, meaning you're not just cutting down on costs but also on emissions. For urban explorers or eco-conscious adventurers, this becomes an incredible advantage. With more cities adapting to electric transport, a tricycle camper fits perfectly into the future of sustainable travel. But let's not forget the lifestyle aspect. The RV Camper Tricycle isn't just a machine, it's an invitation to live differently. It appeals to minimalists who believe that less is more, and to adventurers who want to travel light without giving up the essentials. For solo travelers, it's an ideal setup, a private mobile space where you can rest, cook, and recharge. For couples, it's a cozy retreat that promises closeness and spontaneity on every journey. Now picture this. You're riding through scenic landscapes, the road stretching endlessly ahead, and when you feel like stopping, you don't need a campground with full facilities. With an RV Camper Tricycle, you just pull over, unfold your space, and you're instantly at home. Whether it's by a lake, in the mountains, or a quiet countryside road, this tricycle camper gives you the luxury of choice. Another great feature is affordability. Traditional RVs can cost a fortune not just to buy but to maintain. On the other hand, the tricycle camper is budget-friendly while still offering that feeling of independence and adventure. It's like having a tiny home on wheels, without the heavy price tag or stress. Innovation doesn't stop at design. Some models come with solar panels installed on the roof, giving you a renewable energy source while traveling. Others feature modular attachments so you can customize your camper to your personal lifestyle, whether you want more storage, extra seating, or even a compact workstation. This adaptability is what truly sets it apart from the traditional RV experience. But of course, it's not just about practicality. Let's talk about style. An RV Camper Tricycle turns heads wherever it goes. It's unusual, futuristic, and a definite conversation starter. Park one in a lot, and you'll instantly attract curious glances and questions from people wondering what kind of futuristic invention they're looking at. For travelers who love standing out and owning something unique, this is a vehicle that delivers personality along with function. For many, this tricycle camper is not just transportation but a lifestyle shift. It represents breaking free from routine, embracing mobility, and exploring the world with flexibility and freedom. It's about waking up in a new place whenever you want, carrying your comfort with you, and traveling lightly yet meaningfully. And that's exactly why the RV Camper Tricycle is making waves in the auto world. It bridges the gap between mobility and comfort, showing us that you don't need something huge to experience big adventures. With its eco-friendly design, compact features, and unbeatable versatility, it offers a glimpse into the future of travel. Thank you for joining us here on Auto Buzz TV, where we explore the most exciting innovations in the automotive world. If the RV Camper Tricycle sparked your imagination, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating vehicle reviews. Until next time, keep